What is a prayer journal? A prayer journal is a handmade or digital book created to hold prayers, scripture reflections, Bible study notes, gratitude lists, and other spiritual writings. One may also tuck in scripture cards, devotional prompts, and small keepsakes to make the journal deeply personal and meaningful. How to make a prayer journal. Step 1. In order to create a journal, we will get familiar with terminology. Understanding prayer journal terminology. Signatures and signature cover pages. What are signatures? In bookbinding and journaling, a signature is a stack of papers folded together to form one section of a journal. Each signature is like a mini-book inside the larger journal. Signatures are later tied or sewn into the journal cover. Most handmade prayer journals include 2 to 4 signatures. More than 4 signatures usually creates a bulky book that doesn't close well. Example: if your journal has 3 signatures, each signature might contain 6 to 10 folded pages, giving you plenty of writing space without overwhelming the structure. What are signature cover pages? Signature cover pages are the decorative outer pages that wrap around each signature. They serve several purposes. 1. Protection. They protect the inner pages from wear and tear. 2. Beauty. They set the tone for the theme: vintage, floral, scripture-based, grunge, worship art, etc. 3. Function. Many signature covers include pockets, tuck spots, side-loading sleeves, envelopes, fold-outs, and these hold prayers, scripture cards, Bible notes, photos, bookmarks, little goodies that encourage devotion. Why make signatures first? Many journal makers, like you, prefer to build the signatures before creating the final journal cover because you can see how thick the journal will be. You can match the cover size to the actual bulk. You can design each signature's theme or color palette. You avoid making a cover that's too small or too large. This workflow is especially helpful for prayer journals, where you may add extra cards, tags, and devotional inserts. Putting it all together. A prayer journal is built in layers. Create your pages. Assemble them into signatures. Wrap each signature with a signature cover page. Add pockets, tuck spots, and scripture cards. Bind the signatures into the journal cover. Decorate, pray, write, and enjoy. We are in the process of making prayer journals. So if none of that conversation made any sense, we will be covering more and more of the process in upcoming videos. It will all start to make sense as we start creating and adding these things together. Little by little, God transforms us. He shapes us. He creates us into new creation. As it is with us, so it is with these journals. We create pieces here and there and we combine them into a journal. And it will turn into a lovely new creation. All these pages came from junk mail, old books, or some digital kits I created. We also used some old Bibles and religious books and dictionaries that we rescued. They were old and torn but still have purpose. No Bible that was not already damaged was harmed in the process of creating this. If you are interested in creating a prayer journal with me, you can start small. If you are uncertain how to create a whole page, start working on tags and clusters. We will also create a couple easy journals for those who are not yet ready to create a whole one. All that will be coming shortly. Look for them in upcoming videos. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments and I will answer them more than likely in a video. If you don't have any papers yet and want to start immediately, consider some of the packs at www.prayerjournalingmusic.com, where I have created random digital kits that can be downloaded and printed. As long as you have a printer. If you do have a printer and are not okay with using old Bibles like I did, you can always print scriptures. That way no Bible is harmed during the process. You could also hand write them or not use them at all. Thanks for watching. I pray you have a wonderful day.